Hello everyone. So finally we able to cover first 50 videos for our e-commerce website, advanced e-commerce website in Laravel 6 and 7. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can download first 50 videos. It's free and you need to take some steps. Okay, so you can download the code of these first 50 videos along with the database, and I will also show you the things that we have done so far briefly. This is the admin panel login that we have made, and these are some of the features that we have done for our e-commerce admin panel. These are the basic features that we have done. We can able to update admin password, we can able to update admin details, we can also add admin image as well. Okay, and after that we have done some of the e-commerce modules, that is sections, brands, categories and products. Okay, you already aware about these modules. We have done this one in detail. Okay, I have already explained all these modules in detail. What is the functionality of all this module, what is the relation between these modules, and everything I have explained you. And you can follow the playlist of advanced ecom series if you have any confusion. And in this video I am going to explain you how you can able to download these 50 videos, whatever we have done in these 50 videos, the code that we have done in these 50 videos. And this code is for the regular users, not for those users who just want to download the code but don't want to follow, because I face too much issue when the code does not work, when someone updates the code but that person don't know that what actually code do, and it is not recommended practice. Okay, you need to follow every video, and if something is not clear then you need to watch that videos again. Okay, and you can ask me if something is not clear. Okay, and I will surely help you. And the code is for those users, and some of the steps that you need to take. This time basic series we have not taken those steps, and anyone can come and download the code, but in advanced series some of the free steps that you can take to download the code, so that I will get surety that you have watched the videos as well. Okay, so I hope that everyone understand this concept and everyone coordinate. Okay, so some of the steps that I want to tell you, that you just need to open the website sidemakers.in, and here you will just click close this pop-up, and see here you can click on stack developers link. Okay, so after click of this link you can see these two links. Okay, one is to download the e-commerce template. Okay, so we are going to use this template from part 51st. Okay, so you can download this template, so because we are going to merge this template for our front end. And the another video is to download part 1 to 50. Whatever we have done, I have uploaded the code, and you can simply log in to download. Okay, so see, it will ask you for username and password, and you can contact me for this one. Username and password, you can contact me. Okay, I'm going to give the username and password, and you can contact me. You can follow few of the steps that I will tell you to get this username and password. Okay, so see, after submitting the username and password that I will give you, you can simply click here to download. Okay, and your download will start. Okay, it is I think around 200 MB, sorry, 67 MB. Okay, it is around 67 MB, and you can able to download this one. Okay, so like this it will start downloading, and you can also able to download this advanced e-commerce HTML responsive template that we are going to use for our advanced series from part 51. Okay, so this one is also essential to download. Okay, so these downloads will take some time, I will show you. And see, our main concern is to download the first 50 videos, and I will show you in the meantime. I'm going to show you the steps that you need to take to get the username and password. Okay, so only few steps you need to take. These are the free steps. Okay, so that I will get surety that you are watching the videos, you have not come here in channel just to download the code and give to the client. That is not the right practice. Okay, I want every one of you will learn Laravel. I don't want that every one of you will just copy the Laravel, because it will not help you. because you are not going to learn, okay, you are not going to update, then you will find it tough to update your code and you will face issues in future, okay. So I want that you will learn the basics, okay. You will learn from video to video and you will write the code yourself, okay. I want that thing. So see few of the steps that you need to take to confirm that you have watched the videos. First step is you just need to subscribe the channel, okay. First step is just you need to subscribe this channel, youtube.com/tech developers. I have given in video description all these steps, okay. So you just need to subscribe the channel, and after that you just need to join this tech developers Facebook group, okay. I have shared the link, facebook.com/groups/tech developers. Just you can send me the request, I will approve. And after that you just need to like the page, Facebook page. And now the another one, the last one that you need to do, like if you are following the advanced series, then just like every video and also comment every video. You can just simple comment, any comment you can do, no issue at all, okay. You can just comment like yeah, it is good one, or you like the video, or something, whatever you like, okay. So you just need to like and comment every video. If you are following the advanced series, then you need to comment and like the advanced series videos. I have already shared you the playlist. And if you are following basic series, then you can simply like and comment the basic videos, okay. And another one, if you are see, this is the paid step, okay. And if you want to join as a channel member, then it is really good for the channel. And then you no need to do anything, just you join the channel. I have shared you the link, and it will cost you just around $50 per month, okay. I don't think that it is too much expensive, and you can join. I will share the username and password in it will email you, or either will share you on social network, okay. You can after doing this step, you can contact me. You can on my ID. Okay, you can open this link, facebook.com/amitji100, and you can add and contact me. I will share you username and password, okay. Okay, so so if you will follow these steps, then I will share you the username and password, okay. Okay, now see, the download has been completed, you can see. So we can run now. This is ecom 1250. I will just copy this one in our htdocs folder. You can copy anywhere you want, and I'm going to unzip. It will take few minutes. Okay, here is the folder. So you just need to copy this one and put it here. Okay, there only, it will also work here only, okay, no issue. I am going to run this one, services, new terminated folder, php artisan serve, port equal to 8010 with new port, okay. So I will check this one. See, it is working fine, okay, because a database, I am already having database. You can see 8010, it is working fine, okay. You able to log in admin@admin.com, and password is 123456, okay. So see, this one all open, and you can check out its file as well, okay. You just need to bring it here, and .env, and you need to create the database. Okay, database you can create any database or with this name ecom6, and this is the database file I have also given. This is the file that you have to import. Okay, then you can follow these steps, and if you face any difficulty then you can surely contact me, and you need to follow other steps as well, like I have mentioned you, to get the username and password. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.